morning. Go ahead, chicken. Get up. Oh, look. Oh, oh. Clapping the wings. Alright, guys, that's all. Poof, get out of here. Come on, birdies. Outside. Go run around. Big day. You get to grow up. The new babies are in town. Whee! See, can you jump too? Can you fly too? See. Go, 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 go. Oh, you scared? Are you scared? It's okay, come here, it's okay, you're okay. Don't worry, chicken. You'll be fine. Is it too windy out there for you? You wanna go back inside? Come here, chicken. No, really, you went back inside your house? Come on. Come on. You're a big chicken now. Hey, you, come on. Follow me then. Come on. Yeah, chicken. Where are you guys? Come on. Everybody's leaving you. What are you doing in there, bird? Woo! Come on. Hey, they're over here, you. He's afraid to come out. Come on, chicken. Woo! Flying around. Oh no, watch out, the rooster's coming. Alright, Mr. Rooster, get out of here. You scared the new chickens on the block. Yeah, cluck, 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 cluck to you too. Come on. You're almost out. You can do it, chicken. I see where they came up with the name chicken for cowards. Come here, you. Come here. Oh, you took a dump. Birdie. Come here. Oh, no, come back here. You like it. No, that water's nasty. We gotta clean it out. Come on. Come on. Fine, I'll move my hand. Come on. You're okay. No, come here. You're okay. Come back here, you. The rest of you come in here too? What are you guys doing now? Oh, you're fighting already? What are you two fighting for? Get over here. The big chickens are coming. What are you guys fighting for? Hey, Rooster, get out of here, Rooster. We don't need you hurting the new chickens. Come here, you little stinkers. And you can get out of there. Come on, you can get out. Come on, everybody else is here. Come on. There you go. Get out. Get out. Go. Go, birdies. Go. Whoop, falling over. Go, birdies. Go. Come on. Herding cats, please. Herding chickens, come on. You do it. First jump. Leap a face. Oh, now you're eating the plants. Jack, don't eat chickens, please. We hope these are big enough so you don't want to eat them. All right, bye, Jack. Goodbye, chickens.